So the first thing you're gonna do in this recipe is grab your chicken breast and place it between 2 pieces of cling wrap, and you're gonna pound that out until it has an even thickness of about a 1/2 inch. Then you're gonna cut them into strips, or if you want, you could cut them into burger sizes. Then you're gonna season with salt, pepper, and paprika, and you're gonna put it in a cup of buttermilk to sit for at least an hour so that it can help get the chicken nice and tender. So to coat our chicken, we're using 1.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then we're gonna give this a mix and set up our station. So we have our buttermilk chicken. We're going to dip that into the flour, making sure any excess buttermilk has fallen off. And when we're coating it, we wanna make sure that we use our hands and really press the flour into the meat. Make sure it's nicely coated. And then we're gonna put it onto a wire rack so that we can set all our pieces aside. Right before we put our chicken into fry, we're going to dunk it again into the flour mixture, because while it's sitting, the flour has become sort of a gluey, tacky coating. And so by dipping it in the flour once more, we give it that nice, shaggy, crispy coating that we're used to in our crispy chicken sandwiches. Grabbing a Dutch pot, we're going to heat an inch of oil over medium heat for about 8 minutes, or until the oil reaches 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we're gonna add the chicken and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on one side, and you don't wanna overcrowd the pot or the oil temperature will drop quickly. We wanna try and sustain it around 300 to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we'll flip and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. You want the chicken to get to about 165 degrees Fahrenheit and take it out just before, as the temperature will continue to rise when it's resting. We're using a wire rack over a baking pan so that our chicken doesn't get soggy while it's resting. Now our last step is to assemble our sandwich. So we're gonna toast our buns, get them nice and buttery. We're going to add pickle, lettuce, tomato, mayo, and at this step you can choose to make it a plain crispy chicken sandwich, or we can up it with some buffalo sauce using Frank's Red Hot and some melted butter, and because you can, add whatever extra spices you want to your sauce. Then your crispy buffalo chicken sandwich is ready to go. If you're hungry for more chicken recipe ideas, check out these videos above, or head over to my channel for more great videos. Until next time, I'll see you in the kitchen.